To feel supported, to feel nurtured, to be understood with compassion, and to feel love are basic human needs, and it's what we all yearn for. But day-to-day life can get in the way of experiencing them. As a practicing remedial therapist, I always appreciated the power of massage to heal and restore the body. But after I received my first kahuna massage, it felt as though it wasn't just healing my body, it was actually touching something within my soul. And that was the start of my kahuna journey. This journey is enriching as each level of training encompasses a level of personal and spiritual development. Kahuna massage is that supportive touch that we all long for. It alleviates the stresses of life and helps heal the body and mind. It is a relaxed, meditative experience allowing blocked energy to be released and tension to be surrendered. Each kahuna massage is unique as I tune into my client's intention and what will support them the most during the session. By nurturing and supporting my client, it allows for the surrender of chronically held physical and emotional tension and the restoration of the flow of vital life energy.